Every time I stand before a beautiful beach, its waves seem to whisper to me, if you choose the simple things and find joy in nature's simple treasures, life and living need not be complicated. It is in these moments, where the vastness of the ocean meets the endless horizon, that I am reminded of the profound wisdom that lies within nature. The beach, with its soft sands and gentle waves, holds the secret to a life filled with inspiration and fulfillment. It beckons us to let go of the complexities that burden our souls and embrace the simplicity that surrounds us. For in simplicity, we find the true essence of joy. As the waves crash upon the shore, they remind us of the power of nature's rhythm. They teach us that life, too, has its ups and downs, but it is in the acceptance of these ebbs and flows that we truly find peace. Like the waves, we must learn to surrender to the currents of life, trusting that they will guide us towards our purpose. The beach whispers to us, urging us to slow down and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. It invites us to immerse ourselves in the present moment, to feel the warmth of the sun on our skin, and to listen to the symphony of seagulls overhead. In these simple pleasures, we discover the true richness of life. Nature's simple treasures are abundant on the beach. From the intricate seashells scattered along the shoreline to the vibrant colors of a breathtaking sunset, each moment holds the potential for awe and wonder. It is in these small, seemingly insignificant details that we find the true magic of existence, so let the beach be your guide. Let its waves whisper their timeless wisdom into your soul. Embrace the simplicity that nature offers and find joy in the smallest of things. For when we choose to live in harmony with the natural world, we unlock the door to a life that is truly extraordinary.